If bio is not performing as well as he should, you can diagnose the problem with a simple home checkup test. If bio fails any part of the checkup test, he may need a replacement part to run effectively again. Call us at 1-888-549-8847 for toll-free support in the U.S. and Canada, or email us at support@bObsweep.com at any time. First, remove bio from his charging station. Make sure bio is not near stairs, objects, delicate items, furniture, baseboards, or ledges, as his sensors are not working normally while in checkup mode, and he can fall off edges and run into objects. To put bio in checkup mode, press and hold the Go, Charge, and Wi-Fi buttons simultaneously for a few seconds until the bot says,
Home checkup mode activated.
Bio is now in checkup mode. In this mode, bio's LiDAR sensor will rotate. Bio's checkup includes 7 steps. Each step of the home checkup test verifies the performance of a different function on bio. Switch between different steps by pressing the Wi-Fi button. You'll hear bio announce the name of the tests you can perform in that step. Once the desired step is reached, initiate testing by pressing the Go button, and you'll hear
Begin test.
End each test by pressing the Go button again, and you'll hear bio say
Stop test.
To exit the checkup mode at any time, press and hold the Go, Charge, and Wi-Fi buttons. You'll hear
Exiting home checkup mode.
And bio's LiDAR sensor will stop rotating. If bio is left idle for more than a minute during the checkup test, he will automatically exit the home checkup test. As bio enters checkup mode, you will hear
Home checkup mode activated. Battery.
Alternatively, you can press the Wi-Fi button a few times again until you hear
Battery.
Press the Go button and you'll hear
Begin test.
If the battery is sufficiently charged, all 5 indicators will blink slowly. The lower the battery charge, the fewer indicators blink on the screen. If only one indicator lights up, the battery's charge is below 10%. Allow bio to fully charge overnight. When manually placing bio on the charging station, make sure the charging plates on the back of the bot are in contact with the charging station's plates. The battery indicator should be pulsing to confirm bio is in fact charging. Press Go to stop test, then press Wi-Fi to move to the next step. While bio is in checkup mode, press the Wi-Fi button until you hear him say,
Edge sensors.
Press the Go button to begin test. To test the edge sensors, first lift bio about a foot off the floor. Make sure the sensors are not accidentally covered by your fingers. It's also recommended to remove bio's side brush to ensure the edge sensors are not obstructed. The left, middle, and right edge sensors on bio each correspond with the Go, Mute, and Trouble indicators on the screen. These indicators start flashing, and bio makes a series of beeps when lifted off the floor in this test mode. Place bio back on a hard, flat surface and the flashing will stop. Bio announces,
Test successful.
Press the Go button and stop test. Then move on to the next step. Press the Wi-Fi button until you hear
Charging station.
Place bio about 0.5 feet in front of the plugged-in charging station, with his bumper facing away from the station. Then press Go and begin test. Bio will start to rotate 360 degrees counterclockwise. As bio begins to rotate and the charging station and bio's sensors successfully communicate, the battery and Wi-Fi indicators on the bot screen start flashing and the bot makes a series of beeps. Once done, all indicators shine solid to confirm all sensors are in good working condition, and bio announces,
Test successful.
Press the Go button and stop test, then move on to the next step. Press the Wi-Fi button until you hear
Bumpers and Wi-Fi.
Then press Go to begin test. In this step, once you begin the test, bio automatically tests his connection to Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi indicator will light up on the screen. To test the bumper's touch sensors, place bio on a flat surface, then slowly press the left, center, and right side of bio's bumper. The following indicators each correspond with one of the touch sensors and flash upon successful passing of each touch sensor test. To test the LiDAR's mini bumper, lightly press on the LiDAR cover. The mute indicator starts flashing on the screen, confirming the LiDAR mini bumper is in good condition. After all the above are tested, all the indicators light up, and BIO announces,
Test successful.
Note that once a sensor is tested, pressing it again does not allow for retesting. You must stop the test and begin it again to test the same sensor twice. Once done, press the Go button to stop test, then move on to the next step. Press the Wi-Fi button until you hear BIO say,
Motors.
Lift BIO off the floor or hold him tight to secure his position, as he will move with force in this step. When ready, press Go to begin test. The vacuum motor will pulse and blow air from the left rear vent for a few seconds, then it will stop. The mute indicator will light up on the screen to confirm the vacuum motor is working fine. At the same time, left and right wheels and main and side brushes will start rotating, confirming their motors are in good working condition. Once done, press the Go button and stop test, then move on to the next step. Press the Wi-Fi button until you hear
LiDAR, charging, and self-empty.
Place BIO back on a flat surface and press Go to begin test. Place BIO against a white wall and slowly rotate him with your hand. The mute indicator will flash as each of LiDAR's 3 directions detect the wall. Place BIO on his plugged-in charging station with charging contact points touching your bot. After a few seconds, self-empty will run. All indicators light up on the screen to confirm the charging station is in good working order. BIO will announce,
Test successful.
Press the Go button and stop test. If you press the Wi-Fi button again, you will hear BIO say,
Reset device.
Note that this is a hard reset of all of BIO's data and will erase any information stored on the device. This includes all existing map data, scheduling data, and customized cleaning data. To avoid accidental erasing of BIO's data, use this step in isolation only. Watch BIO's hard reset video for more information. The home checkup test is now complete. Press the Go, Charge, and Wi-Fi buttons together again. You'll hear
Exiting home checkup mode.
And BIO's LiDAR sensor will stop rotating. If BIO completes the checkup test without any issues, then his internal parts are working properly. For further assistance with the home checkup test, contact our helpful support team.